is the Glam Princess, and y'all, today we are going to dibble in something a little bit different. Our goals, y'all know I'm a silver girl, but DotFlower.com send me these gold tiles, and I am going to definitely make use of them. So y'all, we are going to make a candle holder, and like I said, I'm trying something new. So I'm doing one of my rooms into a gold and black. I don't even know what the room is going to be, y'all. I don't even know what it's going to be called. I'm just going to put some chairs in there and decorate. I don't even know what I'm making the room out of. But I do want to have an area where I can have a desk and a sitting area, like where I can watch TV or whatever. So, and my grandkids come over, sometimes that's the room that they go in. So I want to make it kind of kid friendly as well. So we're gonna, work on that. Y'all, I be working on like 5 different rooms at one time because I have so many ideas in my head. But anyway, we're gonna continue on with this DIY. We are going to use these little boxes that I got from Dollar Tree. We're going to use these cute little candle holders. I got these candle holders from IKEA. We're going to use some of our diamond wrap. And we're going to use these tiles also from DotFlower.com. We're going to use our hot glue gun, glue sticks, and some scissors. And anything else, y'all, I'm going to let y'all know what we're using. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take one of these tiles, and what we're going to do, because the boxes are actually longer, the tile is longer than the actual box. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the box and put it on end. Make sure you're watching this part if you're going to recreate this project, because I'm just trying to make sure that it fits all the way to the end of the box. So then we're going to go with the other end of the box, and we're going to not measure, y'all know I don't like that. We're just going to put it there, stick it there, so we can make sure that it ends at the end of the box. So this is how it should be looking, and let's move on. Okay, Glam Fam, so this is how we're looking so far. I'm gonna try to clean this thing up, and then we're gonna go ahead and put the candle holders on there. Glam Fam, so this is the end result of our candle holder. It is absolutely gorgeous, and I do like this gold. I'm trying something new, as I said, and I hope you all like what I'm going to be showing you on, the gold accents and stuff like that. So I hope you all like what you see, and if you do, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs. God bless.
Thought I knew the red and it flipped. How many times